Pompee Jr.
Once upon a time, in a big green forest, there lived a little red bird named Ruby. Ruby loved to sing and fly around the forest. Ruby loves her forest and visits it every day to see her neighbors. Today, she saw that a beautiful flower had bloomed beneath her tree. She was so amazed to see its beauty.
Wow, what a beautiful flower this is. It would be really nice if we had a friend like this.
Actually, Ruby was so sad because she had no best friend, someone who would always be with her, fly with her, and sing with her. Anyway, she always finds happiness by flying around her forest. She flew to the river near her tree to drink some water. There, she saw something shining near the pebbles. Oh, what is this? This pebble is shining. I think this is a rare pebble. Anyway, I will keep it in my nest. She picked up the pebble and flew back to her nest to keep it safe. Days passed, and Ruby became very close to the pebble. It became her best friend. One night, as she was getting ready to go to sleep, her neighbor Sammy came to visit her, and as they were talking, Sammy noticed the shiny pebble inside her nest.
Oh, what's that, Ruby? Is that a shining pebble? Where did you get it from? It's really beautiful anyway.
Thank you, Sammy. I found it near the river.
Ruby, I'm going to tell you a secret. You know, my mother told me that my grandpa once found a pebble like this one day. It was a magical pebble. I think this one might be magical too. If you wish upon it, your dreams might come true.
Really? That's amazing.
Ruby was excited and wished to have a friend to sing with.
Anyway, Ruby went to sleep hopefully, waiting for her dream to come true. Kids, did Sammy tell her the real thing, or was he just making fun of her? Let's wait and see. The next day, Ruby woke up and saw another bird sleeping next to her. Yes, kids, Sammy was right. He wasn't making fun of Ruby.
Hi, I'm Sky. Can we be friends?
Ruby was so excited to meet her new friend, Sky. She couldn't believe her eyes.
Hi, Sky. Are you my friend? Thanks for coming, Sky. Of course we can be friends. Come on, let's fly and sing together. I'll show you so many things in this forest. Ruby and Sky flew around the forest. Meanwhile, they saw Sammy. Ruby introduced Sky to Sammy, and Sammy was so happy to meet Ruby's new best friend. Ruby showed Sky the riverside and told the whole story, how she found the pebble and how Sammy helped her.
And so, Ruby and Sky became the best of friends, singing and flying together, forever.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop.
Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.